Good day. This is Merrick Adrianson, CTO of ReveLux D3 LED. Behind me, I want to show you our newest product that we're bringing to the trade show. This is a TruePixel design, which is a stacked pixel. Instead of RGB chiplets being left, right, and center, the chiplets are stacked on top of each other, and this comes in a 0.78, 0.94, and a 1.25 pixel pitch. It's because the pixels are stacked, the viewing angle, from every viewing angle, the color stays exactly the same, so you don't have light fall off of one color versus the other. It's a true micro 200 micron pixelet design, and it is the absolute cutting edge in technology. It is very low power consumption, and probably the best looking display at the trade show. I know I'm a little biased, but that's me, Merrick Adrianson, ReveLux D3 LED. Come check us out at www.d3led.com or www.reveluxgroup.com. Thank you much. Have a great show.